Ever wondered about earning money with minimal ongoing effort? That's passive income for you. It's a form of income that keeps rolling in even when you're not actively involved. Imagine this. You're lounging on a beach somewhere, sipping on a chilled drink, and your bank balance keeps growing. That's the power of passive income. It's not just about the money though. Passive income gives you the freedom to live life on your terms, to spend time on what truly matters. It's about breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind and creating a life of financial independence. Passive income can come in many forms, from real estate investments to online businesses, and it's not just for the filthy rich. Anyone can create passive income streams with the right knowledge and strategies. So, how does one go about this? Well, that's what we're here to discuss. To put it simply, passive income is the key to financial freedom. Why should you care about passive income? The answer is simple: financial stability and freedom. Imagine waking up to an email notification that you've earned money while you were sleeping. Sounds dreamy, right? That's the power of passive income. Passive income allows you to make money with minimal ongoing effort, freeing up your time for other pursuits. Whether you're looking to fund your world travels, save for retirement, or simply want a safety net, a passive income stream can be your ticket to financial independence. Moreover, passive income isn't just a nice-to-have, it's becoming a must-have in today's unpredictable economic climate. Traditional income sources like a 9-to-5 job can be unstable. But with passive income, you're diversifying your income streams, creating a buffer against unexpected financial hiccups. So, passive income is not just a luxury, but a necessity for a secure financial future. It's your ticket to financial freedom, allowing you to live life on your own terms. Ready to dive into passive income but not sure where to start? Well, let's break down the criteria for choosing the right passive income venture for you. First off, consider scalability. Can your venture be expanded over time without significantly increasing your workload? You want your income to grow, not your stress levels. Next, think about the initial investment. Some ventures require a hefty upfront cost, while others only need a sprinkle of time and creativity. Be realistic about what resources you're willing and able to invest. Time commitment is another key factor. Passive doesn't mean zero effort. It's about finding the sweet spot where your input and the income you generate are in harmony. Finally, assess your risk tolerance. Every venture has its ups and downs. Do your homework and understand what risks you're comfortable with. Remember, the best passive income venture for you depends on your individual circumstances and goals. Your journey to financial freedom is uniquely yours, so choose wisely. Let's talk about one of the most popular passive income ventures: real estate investments. And when we say real estate, it's not just about buying a property and selling it for a higher price. There's so much more to it, with various avenues to explore. Firstly, there are rental properties. This is the classic buy and rent strategy. You buy a property, rent it out, and earn a steady stream of income. The rent can cover the mortgage payments and even provide a decent profit. Plus, the property itself can appreciate over time, adding to your wealth. Next, we have real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These are companies that own and often operate income-producing real estate. By investing in a REIT, you can own a piece of real estate without having to go through the hassle of buying, maintaining, or managing it. Plus, by law, REITs must distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders. So, you get a share of the earnings without having to do the heavy lifting. And then, there's crowdfunded real estate. It's a relatively new player in the field, leveraging the power of the internet to bring together investors and real estate developers. It's like a virtual pooling of resources to fund a real estate project. Once the project makes profits, the investors get their share. Each of these forms of real estate investments have their own potential for rental income and property appreciation. Rental properties can provide a steady cash flow. REITs, on the other hand, offer the benefit of real estate ownership without the complications, and crowd-funded real estate can provide a way to get into the real estate game without needing a ton of capital. However, remember, every investment comes with risks. It's crucial to do your homework, understand the market, and make informed decisions. Real estate, when done right, can be a lucrative passive income source. How about making your money work for you in the stock market? Let's delve into the world of dividend investing. This is a strategy that involves buying shares in companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. These payouts, known as dividends, are typically distributed on a regular basis, often quarterly or annually. This gives you the opportunity to earn a steady stream of income, just by owning a piece of a company. It's kind of like being a silent partner in a business, reaping the rewards without the daily grind. Dividend investing doesn't just provide regular income, it also offers the potential for your investment to grow over time. As the company's value increases, so does the value of your shares. This is what we call capital appreciation. So, not only are you earning dividends, but you're also benefiting from the growth of the company itself. It's a win-win situation. But what if you're not keen on the idea of picking individual stocks? Well, that's where index funds come into play. Index funds are a type of investment fund that aims to replicate the performance of a specific market index. Think of it as buying a tiny piece of the entire stock market, or a specific sector of it. When you invest in an index fund, you're essentially spreading your investment across a wide range of companies. This helps to diversify your portfolio and reduce the risk associated with investing in a single stock. And the best part? Many index funds also pay dividends, offering another source of passive income. In summary, dividend stocks and index funds offer a practical way to earn passive income. They allow you to benefit from the success of companies without having to actively participate in their day-to-day operations. By investing wisely and patiently, you can watch your wealth grow over time, all while enjoying a steady stream of income from dividends. In essence, dividend stocks and index funds are a way to earn while you sleep. Next on the list is peer-to-peer lending, a relatively new but promising passive income venture. This innovative platform allows individuals to play the role of a bank, lending money directly to borrowers in need. By cutting out the middleman, you can earn a tidy return in the form of interest. It's a win-win situation, right? Well, not always. Like any investment, peer-to-peer lending comes with its own set of risks. The most glaring one is the potential for default. If a borrower fails to repay the loan, your investment could vanish into thin air. But don't let this deter you. Many platforms have safeguards in place, such as diversification across multiple loans and credit checks on borrowers, to mitigate these risks. Moreover, the benefits are hard to ignore. Besides the attractive interest rates, peer-to-peer lending is easily accessible and requires no special knowledge or skills. Just a bit of research and some spare cash. With due diligence, peer-to-peer lending can be a viable option for passive income. Got a knack for creating? Digital products could be your passive income goldmine. The digital realm is a treasure trove of opportunities, packed with countless avenues to create and sell a variety of products. What's more, these products can generate revenue on autopilot once they're up and running. Let's take a stroll through some of these opportunities. Ebooks, for instance, are a popular digital product. If you've got a story to tell or expertise to share, penning an ebook could be a profitable venture. Online courses, on the other hand, allow you to share your skills or knowledge with eager learners worldwide. Whether you're a master coder, a fitness guru, or a whiz at knitting, there's likely an audience eager to learn from you. Now, moving into the realm of software, we find another lucrative avenue. If you've got the skills, creating useful applications or software solutions can be a significant income generator. And let's not forget digital artwork. Artists and designers can sell their creations online, from prints and illustrations to graphic designs and animations. The beauty of digital products is that creation is just one part of the equation. Once your product is ready, it's time to market and sell it. Various platforms can help you reach potential customers. For ebooks and online courses, platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Udemy can be invaluable. For software, consider app stores or software marketplaces. And for digital artwork, websites like Etsy or Redbubble can connect you with art lovers worldwide. But remember, it's not just about listing your products and hoping for the best. Effective marketing strategies are crucial. Social media promotion, email marketing, and search engine optimization can all boost visibility and drive sales. So if you're ready to turn your creativity into cash, consider venturing into the world of digital products. With the right product, platform, and marketing strategy, you can create a stream of passive income that flows long after the creation process ends. Digital products can generate recurring revenue with little to no ongoing effort. Affiliate marketing, a popular choice for those who know how to sell. This is a realm where your ability to persuade can translate into a steady stream of income. But what is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's a performance-based business model where you, as an affiliate, earn a commission for promoting another company's products or services. Imagine it as being a middleman without the hassle of inventories or customer service. You're a bridge connecting the product or service to a potential customer, and every time that customer makes a purchase using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Now you might be wondering, how do you choose a profitable affiliate program? Well, it boils down to a few key factors. First, it's crucial to choose products or services that you genuinely believe in and are relevant to your audience. After all, your credibility is on the line. Second, consider the commission rate. Some programs offer a flat rate per sale, while others might offer a percentage of the sales price. Don't be swayed by high percentages alone. A high commission rate on a low-cost product might not bring in as much income as a lower commission rate on a high-ticket item. Third, look at the cookie duration. This is the period during which you can earn a commission after a potential customer clicks on your affiliate link. Longer cookie durations are generally better as they give the customer more time to make a purchase. Once you've chosen your affiliate program, it's time to strategize. Content marketing is a popular strategy, whether that's through blog posts, podcasts, or videos. The key is to provide valuable content that naturally incorporates your affiliate links. Social media platforms, email newsletters, and SEO are also powerful tools for promoting your affiliate products. Remember though, that success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight. It requires persistence, creativity, and a keen understanding of your audience's needs and wants. Affiliate marketing can be a profitable venture if you have the right strategy. So why not give it a try? Who knows, it might just become your next big passive income stream. Now that we've covered various passive income ventures, it's time to take action. We've explored the world of passive income, from understanding its importance to your financial stability, to discussing the criteria for choosing the right venture. We've delved into real estate investments, dividend stocks, and index funds, as well as the burgeoning field of peer-to-peer lending. We've also shed light on the creation of digital products and the potential of affiliate marketing. We've underscored the power of platforms like YouTube for content monetization and the critical role of automation and outsourcing in streamlining your passive income ventures. And we've emphasized the importance of diversification and risk management. Now it's your turn. It's your turn to put this knowledge into practice, to explore these ventures, and to start building your streams of passive income. Remember, the journey to passive income starts with a single step. Take that step today.